Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine, safe and healthy at your home. Children, in today's session, you are going to learn how to make your own periscope. Now let us enter into our lesson. Children, here you can see picture of a periscope. Now let us make our own periscope. How to do this? Now let us see. In order to make a periscope, children collect the following materials to make periscope. Empty agarbatti box, two mirror strips, scale, a pencil, a blade, matchbox, candle and glue. Now close both ends of the agarbatti box. Draw squares at both ends. Draw the diagonal to these squares as you are seeing here in figure 6a. Now slit the diagonals with a blade. The slits should equal to the length of the mirror strips. Now fix the mirror strips in the slits as shown in figure 6b. Take care to see that these mirror strips lie parallel to each other with their reflecting surfaces facing each other. Fix the mirror strips firmly to the box with a few drops of molten wax from a burning candle. You can also use glue or Fevicol instead of this wax. Cut out two windows on the narrow sides of the box as you are seeing here in this figure 6c. The window should open directly on the reflecting surfaces of the mirror strips. Now your periscope is ready. Now when you look through window 2, you will be able to see things lying in front of window 1. If you hide behind a tree, you can easily see what is happening on the other side of the tree with your periscope. Observe in figure 6d, the girl is waving objects outside the room through the window while hiding herself in the room with the help of a periscope. Children, now let us do another activity. Place a mirror that is 1 feet into 1 feet, 1 feet square on the floor. You and your friends A, B, C stand on 4 sides of the mirror as you are seeing in the figure here 7. Adjust your places of standing in such a way that each one of you can see the image of the person opposite to you in the mirror kept on the floor. Now your friends A, C are able to see images of each other in the mirror. Why can't you see their images? Ask your friend B, who is in front of you, to move your feet aside from his place. What happens? Did you see his image in the mirror? If not, why you can't see? Now, let us see. Imagine a normal to the mirror. It would be perpendicular to the mirror as well as to the floor. Imagine an incident ray coming from your friend B falls on the mirror, then the reflected ray from mirror and reaches you. Observe that the incident ray, reflected ray and normal line lie in the same plane. Now think why the image of your friend B is not visible to you. When he moves aside, where should you stand to see his image? Once again, imagine the incident, reflected rays and normal and assumed plane. Then what do you understand? See, the incident ray, reflected ray and normal should be in same plane. Only then can you see your friend. Are the incident ray coming from your friend A, reflected ray going towards your friend C, and normal in the same plane? Now let us try to answer why the mirrors and periscope are kept parallel to each other. And a periscope, the incident ray for the second mirror, is the reflected ray for the first mirror. When these two mirrors are parallel to each other, only then the rays lie in the same plane and can pass through the windows of the periscope. If these mirrors make some angle with each other, then the reflected ray of the first mirror may not reach the second mirror, or the reflected ray of second mirror may not pass through the window of periscope. In both cases, we can't see the object with the periscope. Now, children, in our next session, you will be learning about how do we get an image in a mirror. So, children, let us continue our lesson in our next session. Children, up to that, be happy. Allah Hafiz.